There are a lot of different ways you can light a portrait, but most of them start with understanding a few basic lighting patterns. Now, in this series, I'm breaking down the most common portrait lighting patterns and showing you how to create each one, what it does to the face, and when you might want to use it. Now, there are three main areas that I personally like to put portrait lighting into: facial lighting patterns, lighting direction or lighting technique, and secondary lighting or auxiliary lighting. Now, each one gives you a different way to control the light, shape the face, and create a specific look. In this video, we're talking clamshell lighting. Now, clamshell lighting is definitely a beauty setup. It is almost a variation of flat lighting, but it is used specifically for beauty lighting, or where you really want to soften the face and soften the features on the face. Now, clamshell lighting, as the name implies, involves two lights, and you have one light above your subject and one light below your subject, and you're essentially doing a clamshell of light on that subject. So with that being said, let's jump right in. Let me show you how to set up clamshell lighting, and then we'll talk about some times when you might want to use this light pattern. As the name implies, clamshell is basically a light that is like a opened clamshell. Okay, so what you essentially have to help you understand this, and if you go back and watch these two videos and combine the two, it'll make sense. Your clamshell is basically going to be your butterfly light and your under light. So you're combining the butterfly light and the under light to essentially get a clamshell. Okay, and so if we bring this in, turn this light on here. Okay, this is probably like overexposing the heck out of my backdrop back there, but that's okay. Okay, so if we bring this up, so we got it in front of our subject, we're going to angle that down. So then boom, right there, we get that. And then I'm just going to use this stick light just for ease. Okay, so then if I bring the power up, actually let's go down on the power on this, because this is a very powerful light and this is not. All right, so then boom, if we come under here, so we've got this light at the top angled down, we've got this one down here angled up, and so that's essentially your clamshell lighting. And really the point of it is to get nice soft beauty light. Now, you can clamshell in both directions. Okay, you can clamshell top and bottom, or you can clamshell right and left. They're both clamshell. Traditionally, clamshell is more top and bottom, but you absolutely can go right and left. And it really is just a flat type of light. So in my flat light video, I was really showing you how to get flat light with just one light. If you didn't want to boom, then using a left-right clamshell is going to be the easiest way to get flat lighting, you know, without having to boom a light.